Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about derivation, meaning, definition, short history, types, and elements of novel. So let's start with derivation of word novel. The word novel is derived from the Italian word novella, which means a short story or a tale. The word novella is evolved from the Latin word novellus, which means something new or young. Now let's talk about definition of novel. A genre of literature characterized by an extended work of fiction, typically written in prose, that explores the complexities of human experience through a developed plot, well-defined characters, and a structured narrative, is called novel. The common length of novel fall between 60,000 to 200,000 words. Novels help us understand society, culture, and our minds. They stand out because they keep us hooked with their deep and captivating stories, making us feel like we're part of the tale. In simple words, a novel is a long fictional story, usually written in prose, that explores characters, plot, and themes in a narrative form. Now let's talk about short history of novel. The novel as a literary form emerged in the 17th and 18th centuries. It evolved from earlier prose writings like romances and allegories. The term novel itself gained popularity in the 18th century. Notable early novels include Don Quixote by Cervantes and Robinson Crusoe by Defoe. The genre expanded during the 19th century with works by authors like Jane Austen and Charles Dickens. Novels became a prominent form of storytelling, reflecting societal changes and individual experiences. Today, novels encompass a wide range of genres and styles, shaping and reflecting cultural narratives across the globe. Now, we will study types of novel number 1, realistic novel. A realistic novel is a literary work that depicts ordinary life and characters in a faithful and authentic manner, often focusing on everyday experiences and situations. Characters in realistic novels face ordinary challenges, and the narrative reflects the intricacies of real-world scenarios. These novels aim to capture the complexities of human relationships and societal dynamics. Famous examples include Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice, George Eliot's Middlemarch, and F. Scott Fitzgerald's The Great Gatsby. Number 2. Picaresque novel. A picaresque novel is a genre of fiction that typically features a roguish and adventurous protagonist navigating through various episodic and often humorous encounters. These novels often provide a satirical commentary on society. Famous examples include Miguel de Cervantes' Don Quixote, Henry Fielding's The History of Tom Jones, a Foundling, and Mark Twain's The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Number 3. Historical novel. A historical novel is a fictional story set in the past, blending imaginative characters and events with real historical contexts. It transports readers to different eras, offering entertainment while providing insights into bygone times. Examples include Ken Follett's The Pillars of the Earth, which explores medieval architecture, and Leo Tolstoy's War and Peace, which shows the lives of Russian aristocrats during the Napoleonic Wars. These novels weave captivating narratives against historically accurate backdrops, offering a compelling way to learn about and experience different periods in history. Number 4. Epistolary novel. An epistolary novel is a story told through a series of letters or documents. Instead of a traditional narrative, it unfolds through correspondence between characters. Famous examples include Bram Stoker's Dracula, where the characters communicate through letters and diary entries, and Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice, where letters play a crucial role in the plot. This unique storytelling approach offers insights into characters' thoughts and emotions, providing a distinctive perspective on the unfolding events. Number 5. Gothic novel. A Gothic novel is a genre of fiction that combines elements of horror, mystery, and romanticism. It often features eerie settings like castles or old mansions, supernatural occurrences, and intense emotions. Famous examples include Mary Shelley's Frankenstein, Bram Stoker's Dracula, and Emily Bronte's Wuthering Heights. These novels evoke a sense of fear and suspense while exploring themes of the supernatural, madness, and the macabre. Number 6. Psychological novel. A type of novel that delves into characters' minds, emotions, and inner conflicts by exploring mental and emotional aspects rather than focusing solely on external events is called psychological novel. Famous examples include Fyodor Dostoevsky's Crime and Punishment, delving into guilt and morality, and Charlotte Perkins Gilman's The Yellow Wallpaper, examining mental health and societal constraints. These novels show the complexities of human psychology, providing insight into characters' thoughts and emotions to create a rich, introspective narrative. Number 7. Satirical novel. A satirical novel is a type of novel that uses humor, irony, and exaggeration to criticize or mock people, societies, or political systems. It aims to highlight flaws or absurdities through witty and often humorous storytelling. Famous examples include George Orwell's Animal Farm, which satirizes totalitarianism using farm animals, and Jonathan Swift's Gulliver's Travels, where absurd societies are critiqued through the protagonist's fantastical journeys. These novels entertain while cleverly dissecting societal issues, offering readers a humorous lens to view and reflect upon the world. Number 8. Regional novel. A regional novel is a type of novel that vividly portrays a specific geographic area, capturing its unique culture, customs, and social dynamics. These novels delve into the local character and landscape, often highlighting the influence of the region on the characters' lives. Examples include Thomas Hardy's Tess of the d'Urberville, set in rural England, and Mark Twain's The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, reflecting the American South. Regional novels provide readers with a rich sense of place, emphasizing the distinctiveness of a particular location. Number 9. Sentimental novel. A sentimental novel is a type of novel that focuses on evoking emotions and exploring the character's feelings. It often emphasizes empathy and moral values. Famous examples include Pamela by Samuel Richardson, which portrays the protagonist's virtue, and Uncle Tom's Cabin by Harriet Beecher Stowe, addressing the emotional impact of slavery. These novels aim to engage readers emotionally, making them reflect on human sentiments and societal issues. Number 10. Mystery novel. A mystery novel is a type of novel that revolves around solving a puzzling crime or enigma. It typically features a detective or investigator who uncovers hidden clues, unravels secrets, and ultimately reveals the truth. Famous examples include Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's Sherlock Holmes series, Agatha Christie's Murder on the Orient Express, and Gillian Flynn's Gone Girl. These novels engage readers in suspenseful storytelling, challenging them to piece together the mystery alongside the characters. Now let's explore elements of novel. In novel, there are 7 main elements, which are plot, setting, characters, point of view, theme, style, and conflict. Now let's explore the first element, that is plot. The plot is the sequence of events that unfold in a story. It typically follows a structure that includes an introduction, exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. The plot is the backbone of the narrative, guiding readers through the journey of the characters. Number 2 is setting. The setting refers to the time and place in which the story occurs. It establishes the context for the events, influencing the overall atmosphere and mood. A vividly described setting helps readers visualize the world in which the characters live and the circumstances that shape their experiences. Number 3. Characters are the individuals who drive the story. They have distinct personalities, motivations, and roles. Protagonists are typically the central characters, while antagonists create conflict. Supporting characters contribute to the richness of the narrative, and their interactions shape the plot. Number 4. Point of view. Point of view is the perspective from which the story is narrated. First-person point of view involves a narrator who is a character in the story, providing a personal and subjective account. Third-person point of view can be limited, knowledge of one character's thoughts, or omniscient, knowledge of multiple characters' thoughts, offering varying degrees of insight into the characters and events. Number 5 is theme. The theme is the central idea or underlying message of the novel. It explores universal concepts such as love, power, justice, or identity. Themes add depth to the narrative, allowing readers to connect with the story on a more profound level and understand the author's intended messages. Number 6. Style encompasses the author's distinctive manner of writing. It includes choices in diction, word choice, sentence structure, and overall tone. An author's style contributes to the novel's unique voice, creating a specific atmosphere and influencing the reader's experience. And number 7 is conflict. Conflict is the tension or struggle that propels the narrative forward. It can take various forms, including internal conflicts within characters, interpersonal conflicts between characters, or external conflicts involving outside forces. Resolving conflicts is often central to character development and the overall resolution of the story. So, that was our today's topic. If you enjoyed our video, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. If you have any question you can ask in the comments. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, and until next time, happy reading!